You are planning to come for an Umrah during your next holiday with your little ones and your parents. If you are a Hajj and Umrah service provider, you would like to accommodate your Hajis during this Hajj very closer to Haram. And now on you are searching Google to find your hotel closer to Haram. Guess what? You get many options in Google, but you don't know which one is your choice. On top of that, if you are searching a hotel with competitive rates that fits your budget, then this video is for you. Let's go into the video and enjoy. Subhanallah, see the view, mashallah.
Hi, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From our Makkah and Medina hotel tour series, today I'm going to show you the hotel called Makkah Towers, which is very well known in the Makkah, located just in front of Masjid al-Haram, 0 meter distance. Once you get down from the hotel, you will directly reach the Haram. The hotel is very well known as Hilton Tower because this hotel was under Hilton Company for long years. Maybe around more than 20 years it was under the Hilton Company. That's why this hotel is known in the market as Hilton Tower. Now the hotel name is Makkah Tower. Let me go inside the rooms and show you their room setups in their location.
There is a saying, don't judge a book by its cover. Why? Because I am telling you this. If you look at this hotel from the outside, from the Haram area, maybe the building looks like an old building. But when you come inside the rooms, see the beauty. It looks like a brand new hotel, but when you look at from the outside, the hotel building is, with the roughly it looks like an old building. But inside the hotel, it's amazing. Now let me show you the view of this hotel. Right now I'm in the floor. I'll bring you inside a triple room and I show you the room setup so you can decide how nice the room is. Bathroom. This is your shower cabin. See guys, how many amenities you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our bathroom amenities. And in your right side you will find your kitchen cabin. This is a small kitchenette here. And once you enter, this is the room. There's a table here. You have coffee, tea. This is your kettle. This is your tea, coffee. Varieties of chai. This is your cupboard. Table, safe box, sleepers. You have extra kettle here. You have a small kettle. Let me open it for you. This one is here. MashaAllah, you can see the Haram. So room setup. Of course, now you have got an idea about the room setup. Let me go and show you one normal classic city view room. And sleep. This is your coffee. There's a large mirror. Then you have a table here to sit and eat something. Now you can see Makkah Tower is not only a hotel, it's a kind of an emotion for many pilgrims, because generation by generations they used to stay here, especially from Pakistan and Indians and European countries. They love this hotel because of the very cleanest and very comfortable beds and the room setup. It's more homely, it's more homely, not like other hotel rooms. It has a space for kitchen, and you have a space for sitting area, and the bathroom. Of course, you have seen the bathroom, and see the bed quality here. It's like more homely, and people, they are emotionally attached with this hotel. That's why the hotel demand is always high. Now I'm in the Tower 6. Let me ask somebody here about the hotel and his experience. Assalamu alaikum. How's this hotel?
Alhamdulillah, fine. Everything okay?
You are from where? India, Pakistan?
Yeah, from India.
Tamil Nadu. Oh, mashallah, you speak Tamil.
Yeah, Tamil.
இந்த ஹோட்டல் எப்படி நல்லமா?
ஹோட்டல் நல்லா இருக்கு ஆஜி. நாங்கள் ரொம்ப நாள் அங்கே இருக்கோம். அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ் நல்லபடியாக இருக்குது. சர்வீஸ் நல்லா இருக்குது. எங்களுக்கு ஹரம்க்கு போகிறதுக்குள்ள வசதிக்கு ஏற்ற இது ஒரு ஹோட்டலாக இருக்குது. எல்லாத்த விட அதுதான் பெஸ்ட்டு எங்களுக்கு. எனக்கு உடனே ஹரம் போயிடலாம். மற்ற டவர்களில் எடுத்தால் இங்கேருந்தே ஒரு லிஃப்ட் மாறி அங்கே போகணும், அதில் டிலே ஆகிடும். அதனால் ஹாஜிகள் இதை ரொம்ப நல்லதாக நினைக்கிறாங்க. அவங்களுடைய திருப்திக்காக தான் இந்த ஹோட்டலில் இருக்கும்.
Imagine if you are coming 5 or 6 from your family, and sometimes if you feel renting 2 rooms for your stay might be costliest for you, and if you would like to stay in a budget, stay together in one room, this is very suitable. Why? Because it has 3 standard beds and 1 extra bed added, plus here you will see the sofa. It can be used as a bed even, and the other one is here. Even a little one from your family can sleep, and the other one can sleep over there, and you have mashallah another 4 beds. As I told you, if anyone stayed in this hotel earlier, they wouldn't choose the other properties. Why? Because they know the standard of this hotel and the rooms. We go into one quad room. Once we enter, you will find your bathroom in your left side.
This is the masjid floor here in the Makkah Tower. It is located in the 4th floor. Same like that, they have another prayer floor in the 5th floor for ladies. And this one in the 4th floor for men.
اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عيني وأصلح لي شأني كله اللهم لا إله إلا أنت لا إله إلا أنت وحدك لا شريك لك اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عيني وأصلح لي شأني كله.
See the view, mashallah. Especially during your Tarawih in Ramadan. This hotel is the best place if you would like to come and stay, because you have the direct access from here to pray with the Imam. So, finally, location, price, and the cleanliness and the spacious rooms, which will lead you to select this room for your next stay in Makkah. It's my pleasure to share these information with you about this Makkah Hotel and Makkah Tower. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now you have an idea about the Makkah Tower and Makkah hotels and their location and the room types. So no need to worry when you are searching a hotel in online or offline through your Hajj and Umrah service provider or other travel agencies. This is the hotel and this is the location and this is the prayer floor. And if you ever stayed in this hotel in Makkah Tower, please do share with your memories and your comments below here so others can read and understand about the hotel location and their services. And if you would like to know more about the Makkah and Medina hotels, please check the playlist in my YouTube channel. You will find many hotel video tours. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Yalla ma'as salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.